Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you all today. I checked my professional dashboard and saw that my profile is currently not being recommended to people under 18 years of age. I've seen this happen to other creators and now I'm living it myself. I want to make this very clear. I haven't done anything wrong. As a solo creator, I love making comedy skits that are funny, relatable and authentic, and I know you guys love them too. But alongside those, I also genuinely enjoy helping this community by sharing content creator tips and tricks and monetization advice that I've learnt along the way. The trouble is, the Facebook algorithm is incredibly sophisticated. It doesn't always understand the nuance of mixing those two sides of my page. And it doesn't just scan for words, it analyses themes, your tone of your voice, and the entire vibe of your content. So, some of my daily comedy content skits have triggered an age inappropriate flag. Even without breaking any rules, the AI has decided the content isn't suitable for a young audience, and that's okay. I'm currently in the review process and I'm documenting this whole journey so that if you're dealing with the same thing, you can learn from my experience and spot the warning signs on your own dashboard. Here's the biggest trap that many of us creators fall into. You might think I only post one comedy skit a day, so my professional tips and tricks and monetization should be fine. You assume the system will separate the two. But unfortunately, the AI doesn't work like that. It doesn't grade your individual posts in isolation. It grades your entire profile as one single ecosystem. It looks at your history, your recent engagement, and the general classification of your page to assign a relevant score. If one part of your content is flagged, the system can and often will restrict the reach of your entire page to maintain what is considered safe standards. It's a harsh reality, but understanding this page level restriction is key to protecting your long-term growth. If you are mixing niches just like I am, you need to be aware that your most risky content dictates the reach of your safest content. How do we fix this? When you're in the middle of a review, just like I am, the absolute worst thing you can do is to start deleting everything in a total panic. That just signals to the system that your account is unstable. First, stay consistent with your content. You want to show the algorithm that you are still a reliable, active creator. Second, do a manual audit of your profile. Look back at your content history for any edge case posts that might be triggering these flags and consider archiving them. And third, keep your head down and keep providing value. Above all else, remember that patience is part of the process. This isn't an overnight fix, and the algorithm needs time to reevaluate your profile. The goal here isn't just to get fixed, it's to understand how to build a profile that the algorithm trusts in the long term. So we're working through this together and I'm confident we can get back to connecting with you all in the right way, plus get my recommendations back. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb and some of my other videos should be popping up around now. So don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say, I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!